skiing. Yeah. It's March. Yeah. Let's do it. What do you want?
Cold coffee.
Yes, latte. Sorry. Feeling like celebrities. You know, when you're a celebrity, you don't buy. You don't spend money. They spend. Thank you for the sandwich. I appreciate you. Thank you. From this platform, I would like to thank Mert for the sandwich.
Your hair looks mess.
I know. Is it coming or what? Very beautiful. This is good because it's here alone.
You wanna eat something?
What are you doing?
Are you still recording?
Kameraları
Why?
sever.
Romantic. I told you he's kind.
Aşkım normalde büyük oluyor ya.
Ha evet.
I'm wondering about something. How many types of soups
Daha
in Turkey?
paylaşmadım, şu an paylaşıyorum. Önce benimle olayım dedim.
A lot, I think. Right.
Maybe 50.
Maybe 50 something like that.
Ne o?
The culture of soup in Turkey is just diverse. I think I've seen so many colors of soup. I countless. Orange, mercimek, chicken soup. The other one is like open light and. Oh, this one is white. Okay, so you feed your soul with good
With
memories.
happiness, no. With
Happiness.
laughing, yeah. Stuff like that.
Happiness and laughter.
Yeah.
Who
What
gives
about
you?
you think? What do you think?
I think our inner child.
Inner child.
Yeah.
You meant soul. That's what I meant when I said soul.
Yeah, but like you have to be very stupid. You have to act like not always, of course, but you have to enjoy your, you know, your little like when you
Who
get.
do that more? You or me? Me. I
you,
do that.
You do that more,
Yes.
but I'm stupid more.
No.
Interesting.
I don't know. I'm not sure about that.
Do you know what does the scientists say about this?
What?
They say that there are a couple of things you should do. Number one, avoid toxic people. This is Melis. This is Mert. They are changing clothes, and I am recording them while they are changing clothes. Why I am doing this, I don't know. Look, he's very upset. Look at him. At this point, I have no idea that my action camera audio is off. So I'm here mumbling, telling you that we are going for skiing and we're going to change and get ready.
In the beginning, I'm like, skiing is nothing. But the experience and the fog and the snow made the skiing so memorable for both myself and for my wife, as it was our first experience.
What are we doing here? Look at this. I learned this word, bomboş. Bombo, that means nobody. It's empty. Perfect for us. I want to show my skills in skiing, which are none. But yes.
Can you throw this much?
Here, I'm getting ready. The skiing boots are extremely difficult to tie and difficult to wear. That's why you need assistance in that. But generally the experience was remarkable. Our clothes had to be made of plastic and somehow helping us not to get hurt. As you can see, I have my glasses on, my jacket, everything is ready. Our skis are ready, our trousers, our shoes are ready. And I guess it's time to have fun. Holy shit!
Aşkım kafanı aşağıya eğ.
You're good.
Your kids, huh?
Probably all fall. This is me falling 50 million times. Go. Go. This is my second time going uphill and
Ve
skiing down.
neydi bunun adı?
And-
Teleferik miydi?
Teleferik.
They didn't open the seats and we were falling almost.
Right, like this. Let me show you what happened.
Böyle.
Like no,
No, this one is sad.
one's good,
This
this
one is not sad.
It's like this.
Right?
We fucking
Okay,
sat
show
on
me
it.
some. Nice.
Look, we sat on it. Oof. Skiing not easy, man. It's not easy. I fell plenty of times, but I'm going again, and I'm gonna do it. Say hi. lot of things happened, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of things happened. I couldn't take my camera with me because obviously when you go skiing, you don't take your fucking camera. Sorry, excuse my language. So what happened is something wonderful. Not wonderful, no. What time we start to ski today?
I don't know.
11, 12?
31.
Okay, 12:30, something like that. We all started to ski, and as you guys know, I am very professional. And so I fell so many times. It hurts my butt so much. That's my butt, my side butt. And because of that, I was like, no, I'm not going to do it. So at 2 a.m., actually, at 2 p.m., I gave up.
Şuradan fırlatsak
I'm like,
çevre kirliliği mi olmuş?
I'm out.
Camdan.
It tired me so much.
içinde var
I never
ama.
thought skiing could be this hard, you know what I mean?
Ver
Like,
deneyim içmeyi.
so I skied for 2 hours and a half, maybe 1 hour and a half, something like that. We went uphill 3 times. And the experience was lovely, truly. I finally understand that skiing is not for everybody.
Siz abur cubur bir şey istiyor musunuz? Burada bir sürü abur cubur var.
He's laughing at me. Mert, do you want to say something to the people who are, because you're laughing at me?
No, thank you.
Oh.
Do you remember we were talking about snowboard?
Yes! If I did it, I would die, I think, today.
Önüme gidelim artık.
Snowboard 10 times harder.
10 times harder.
You cannot get up, I think, from.
I will never get up.
Yeah, you cannot balance it, I think. With snowboard, I think you need lesson to take.
Mert
Can you?
is teaching me. Free of charge. I give him
I don't know.
one
You can
English.
teach snowboard.
I give
How
him
to balance.
2-3 hours of academic English. We exchange services. 10 times harder, he says. Snowboard. 10 times harder. Can you believe that? Oh my god. Oh, we did it. This is last time.
Ben de gözlükleri valla sıcak
The
oldu.
last time you guys
Şurada
see snow.
Biraz fondöten kalmış olabilir.
Last time.
Yok be sanki ben başka mı?
We're going down the mountain now. We checked through an
Azıcık
application. We are
sporlarımı değiştireceğim.
2,000 meters above the sea level.
Sporlarımı giyeceğim.
So cool. So cool.
Azıcık
Look at this.
neylerim ayağım. Yo değil ama biraz sıcak tutuyor, o yüzden değiştireceğim.
Oh my god, it's not cold. It's fucking
So you
cold.
brought us water?
Yeah.
Mountain water?
Buyurun.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This guy says what? He says it was a good day. It was fucking fantastic, Jannah. Thank you. I appreciate you. It was a very different experience for me. I've never went skiing before. I promise. It was my first ever experience. I've never had this experience. And I did it because of this guy and this lady who was about to sleep. Melis, say hi. They took us and they made us sandwiches. they brought us coffee. They brought food, snacks, and we just brought ourselves to them. They are very kind, very humble. Right, Hayatım? They were very humble. She's talking about her hat. talking about hats? Are we talking about the day and appreciation of the experience that is once happened in my life? I've never had something like that. That was beautiful, man. Beautiful. What are you doing, honey?
Şapkam böyle Temel Reis gibi olmuş ve kimse bana güzel demiyor. Çok kötüler.
It's just a beanie, you know? This moment needs to be recorded. There is something in her mug.
Bilmiyorum, asla anlamam ama sanki şurada
There's
bir
something.
erkek
Can we watch?
Sanki elinde sopa olan biri var başında.
Where is it?
Başımızda kim var Mert?
Asla anladığım bir şey değil, sadece öyle bir yorumladım sanki. Başınızda
Başımızda kim var Mert ne? Evet falıma bakın.
I hope no problem. So
gerçekten
posting this on
güzel
YouTube, no problem?
yorumlardı bence.
No problem.
Bak şurada da değişik bir şey var sanki. İki kişi bir şey var. Ama bunu falan bilen
It's a wrap. It's a wrap. We are going back to our beautiful city, leaving this awesome mall. The screen might be dirty, but my love is not. Thank you very much for watching, checking it out. I hope you enjoyed it.
evet çünkü
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.